My mornings are pretty chill, to be honest. I like to start them a bit slow to lose the brain fog I have in the morning and to simply relax a bit. Starting my morning with an espresso shot is a must. Then the next thing I do is to eat my breakfast, and for this morning I chose an egg avocado toast. This has a lot of healthy fats and it's a well balanced breakfast, not gonna lie. I stopped going to the gym last month and I started doing the workouts at home. It felt like I was not progressing anymore, which is funny because there I can lift heavier weights than at home. But after doing a home workout, I feel more energized and honestly I feel the progress much more right now. This year is wild because last year in March I was laid off and I started building indie apps, but I was living on my savings. I am working with a startup that just had their iOS version launched right before I joined the team as an Android dev. In just 1 month I managed to build that app from scratch and ship it on the Play Store, and now I'm working on the redesign of the app. So the new design is already published on iOS, but I think that in this week I will manage to catch that up. So that's what I'm doing at my current job. I'm building the app from scratch and I'm pushing updates to it. And the funny thing about this job is that I applied as an iOS developer and they saw that I have a lot of Android experience. I mean, I have 4 years of Android and 2 years of iOS development, and they said, okay, iOS team is already built up, you can join the Android team. That's crazy to me, but it's great luck. Also, quick shout out to Akiflow for sponsoring today's video. It helps me to pay the bills, so thanks to them for that. As an indie dev, I'm constantly juggling tasks across multiple tools, emails from users, feature ideas in my Notes app, and random to-dos scattered everywhere. Akiflow basically pulls all of that chaos into one place. The core idea is simple. It connects to whatever productivity apps you are already using and brings everything into a unified calendar view. So instead of checking 5 different apps to figure out what I should be working on, I can see my entire day blocked out in one place. Here is what actually makes it useful. The two-way sync means that when I mark something done in Akiflow, it updates back in the original app where the task came from. No manual syncing, no duplicated work. One feature I use constantly is treating emails as tasks. When a user sends a bug report, I can drag it straight from my inbox onto my calendar view for tomorrow afternoon, or simply use their AI to schedule it for tomorrow. The AI assistant, called Aki, lets you basically tell it how to schedule your upcoming days. So instead of manually dragging tasks around, you can describe what you want and it handles the scheduling for you. The biggest thing for me though, it gives you an honest view of your capacity. When you can see everything you have committed to in one calendar, you stop overcommitting and start shipping more constantly. They have a free trial, so there is a link in the description. Sign up on their site first, then you can use it across all your devices including mobile. Alright you all, I also wanted to share my take on which AI I think is crushing right now. Last week me and my team switched up from Cursor to Cloud Code, which is extremely cheap compared to Cursor, and also the model I was using in Cursor was the Opus 4.6, which is extremely good at thinking and solving issues. If you're still on OpenAI or other LLM, give it a try to Cloud Code and let me know what you think. I got this standing desk from IKEA last month, and I got it because I had lumbar pain as I spent all of my day standing on the chair. But now I got rid of that pain because I can now work while I'm standing or walking on the treadmill. Honestly, working while standing helps me focus more rather than sitting on the chair. Just received a new package and it's a laundry basket because the current one is kinda worn out. I had it for a few years and I think it's time for an upgrade that will make the bathroom look more cozy. Honestly, I really like how easy it is to build this thing. It's like building IKEA stuff. It looks amazing. Let me know what do you think guys in the comments. I'm honestly too competitive to relax at some games, but they are still fun to play when I'm winning. That's how a day in my life looks guys. I am planning a day in the live video with the new MacBook M5 Air to try it out. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that, and thanks for watching all the way to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.